Hello everyone, welcome to K-Fab Speed and Cycle. We build engines, we build hot rods, we do anything an automotive enthusiast wants. That's our specialty. We don't do OEM stuff, we don't fix stock cars, we don't do stock rebuilds or anything like that. So this half of our shop is our engine shop. We have everything here. We can do everything engine-wise except for crankshafts, and those we outsource to the most reliable machinist in North America by far. Over that way we have flow bench, we have our head shop over there. Over here we're in the process of building a wall. This is going to be our clean room, so we can assemble in here clean. Here we have more, this is our connecting rod, remanufacturing, head remanufacturing facilities, boring motorsport stuff, connecting rod resizing, all that kind of stuff. We have 2 mills. That's dedicated for cylinder heads, our other one's for blocks. The other one also has our turner balancer mounted on it, so we can balance your rotating assemblies. As you can see by looking around, we got a massive amount of high performance Chrysler, Ford, Chevy, engine cores, all kinds of stuff. Over on this end of the shop over here, it's a very small shop, so space is a premium. It's where we do our fabricating. We have our fabricating benches down there. We have 2 chassis jigs, only one in here at the moment. And we have a project on the go. We have a motorcycle jig over there. We have all our sheet metal bead rolling tools, English wheels, and all that stuff over there. Further down this way, over here, we have our engine test area. We have different ways of doing it. We mount our engine on here. We have ODB1, ODB2, 2 Holley units for EFI, plus we have an assortment of carburetors and ignition, so we can run virtually any engine we want on there. We monitor it all on the computer while we're doing it. The other option we have is we can also just turn the engine with a big electric motor. It pre-oils everything. We can sit there, we can have the intake off while it turns for, 40 minutes type of thing, under load, check out all our lifter rotations, everything like that. So we have 2 options there. I mean, these engines ain't cheap, these projects, so we like to at least spin them, make sure the cams are breaking in. We like to run them also. That's what this is. Well, that's what we're about. We're K-Fab Speed and Cycle. We specialize in stuff that has horsepower, and we like to go fast, and we like our motorcycles, and we like climbing chutes with our snowmobiles. So if that kind of stuff is what you like, hey, we might have something to offer you. I don't know what else to tell you. I guess that's it. Thanks for tuning in, everyone, and I look forward to sharing what knowledge I have with you, and hopefully you guys get something from it. Have a nice day, everyone.